মিডিয়াম করে পুরো দিও, অমরকে দাও, অমর মিডিয়াম করে দেবে। ফার্স্ট হ্যান্ড ফেল হবে বা ড্রয়িং ডাইমেনশন চেক করো, এটাকে কমপ্লিট করবে। আর হাইটটা অ্যাসপার ড্রয়িং হবে।
ঠিক আছে, আর এই টেরিনটা কত আর হবে?
Mr. Sushanta Sashmal, one of the directors of Sree Die and Mould Manufacturing Private Limited. He started his career at a very early age. At the age of 17, he came to Kolkata from rural Midnapur, a fortune seeker with empty pockets. But back then, he was chasing a dream.
আমার কথা বলতে গেলে তো ইতিহাস হয়ে যায়। আমি 1976 সালে কলকাতায় আসি।
Mr. Sushanta Sashmal's career could be an inspirational story for many. In 1976, he came to Kolkata and worked with some small organizations. He always had an inclination for manufacturing, mold making, plastic-related die making, and likewise. Gradually, he gained experience. This man had limited capital but unlimited dream, and he himself became an entrepreneur in 1984, though in a small way. Now they make die and mold for a number of engineering companies, including Indian Railways. At present, around 40 people work in their 2 units. Their quest is always on for continuous improvement through further innovation and application of new technologies. Besides marketing, Mr. Sashmal also personally looks after the minute detailing of mold design. He makes sure that his minute monitoring and constant supervision is all throughout.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি যখন জব ছাড়ি আমার জব, তখন আমি 300 রুপিস স্যালারি পেতাম।
A man who once used to get a salary of rupees 300 only now pays out salary to 40 employees under him.
হ্যালো, শ্রীজি ডাই অ্যান্ড মোল্ডের আমাদের ইউনিটের ওয়ান অফ দ্য ডাইরেক্টর আমার ভাই, ওর সাথে আলাপ করিয়ে দিই। Sree Sashmal.
Mr. Sushanta Sashmal and Mr. Sree Sashmal are the 2 directors of the company. They are jointly pursuing higher goals. Their present client bank includes Supreme Industries, Exide Industries, Philips, Orient Fans, Tata Motors, Rishta Polymer Industries, Sumangal Electronics, Plastotech Industries, and others, to name just a few. Not only in India, the molds and finished plastic goods manufactured in the 2 units are exported to SAARC countries and United States too.
Sree Dies and Molds, we are associated for more than 10 years. I am deeply impressed by his knowledge, and whatever product today we are making, all the product dies has been made by Sree Molds, and I am more than satisfied for whatever product is being produced by using their dies. Their service is excellent, their quality of workmanship is excellent.
Now let us explore the Sree kingdom and find out how they make all these precious and customized molds for respective clients. Once the component drawing is received, which is the first step, the planning can start for the designing of the mold through 3D modeling. This takes time and is painstaking. Although it looks simple, but actually it's not so. Now the mold design is ready after checking, and it is clear what is to be made. From transit to procurement phase, the purchase planning is made up and the raw materials are purchased. Now it is pre-tooling, that is shaping, grinding and boring. The CNC programming follows, which involves the mold base and the core and cavity machining. The next step is electrode, CNC and EDM. Core and cavity followed by EDM.
এটা সিএনসিতে ইলেকট্রোডটা বানানো হয়েছে, বানানোর পরে এটা ইডিএম এ স্পার্ক করা হবে, মানে ইডিএম করা হবে ক্যাবিনে।
Now to the tool room. The milling, grinding, assembly and polish of the mold is done at the tool room. The polished and finished molds are checked and the first trial is conducted in-house. The product validation report is generated and necessary corrections or reviews are done before it is sent for the second in-house
এটা
trial.
একটা Corpoarate, এটা সিএনসি হয়ে এখানে এসেছে এটা ইনস্পেকশনের জন্য।
The brother duo really make sure that their product attains perfection before going out to the customer. The final sample passes through stringent quality control and assurance parameters.
We are satisfied with the job of this gentleman. I mean, Sashmal actually to be named, and his brother also quite efficient in production jobs. As far as the engineering concerned for tool makings and mold makings, they are quite competent. They have got good experience and knowledge about in this line. So we have tested. They are time-tested peoples, and we are quite satisfied with their job.
সিজি ডায়ান মোল্ডের যা
They have opened their in-house mold testing unit and solved this problem that they faced earlier. This unit has gradually elevated to a full-fledged plastic product manufacturing unit.
কলকাতায় একমাত্র কোম্পানি আমরা মোল্ডও বানাই, ফিনিশ প্লাস্টিক প্রোডাক্টও বানাই।
So, here is the only company in Kolkata for you which makes dye as well as finished plastic products through injection molding system. Now to the other kingdom, the processing unit where the plastic goods are produced through injection molding system, the molds being indigenously produced in Sree's factory itself.
আমরা র মেটেরিয়াল প্রকিউরমেন্ট করি
After procuring the raw materials from Haldia Petrochemicals, Reliance, Absolac, Dupont. In this factory also, like the previous one, the necessary corrections and reviews are done, including the first and second trials, and the sample is drawn out and all samples are thoroughly checked before the final product is rolled out.
এটা মেডিসিন পারপাসে লাগে, মেডিসিন মেজার গ্লাস আছে, এবং মোল্ডটা আমাদের ইনহাউস বানানো শ্রীজি ডাই অ্যান্ড মোল্ডের মোল্ড আমরা নিজেরাই এখানে ব্যবহার করছি। সেই মোল্ডের প্রোডাকশান হচ্ছে ফিনিশ প্রোডাক্ট আমরা এখানে বের করছি।
The product's range is so diverse, it caters to many industries: automobile, electricals, electronics, safety, soft luggage, textile, medical, battery, and many other household segments.
এটা টেক্সটাইল ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে লাগে, মেনলি কটন মিলের এটা ইউজ হয়। ইয়ান গোটানো ববিন, এটা পলিমার আইটেম, পিপি দিয়ে চলে। এটাও সিজি ডাই অ্যান্ড মোল্ডের মোল্ড আছে।
The molds of Sree Dye and Mold Manufacturing Private Limited are being used to manufacture the finished products also, both from the same farm.
মেনলি এটা ফ্যানের একটা সুইচ পার্ট, আমরা নবটা সাপ্লাই করি ওরিয়েন্ট ফ্যানকে। এটা মেনলি ফ্যান ইন্ডাস্ট্রির প্রোডাক্ট। এটা এবিএস র মেটেরিয়াল, অ্যাবসোলুটের র মেটেরিয়াল ব্যবহার করি আমরা, সেই মেটেরিয়াল দিয়ে এটা বানানো হচ্ছে। এটা একটা ফ্যানের অসিলেটিং সিস্টেমের ভার্টিক্যাল গিয়ার বলে একটা আইটেম আছে, এটা আমরা বানিয়ে এটা আমরা ওরিয়েন্ট ফ্যান বা আরও বিভিন্ন কোম্পানিতে সাপ্লাই করি। এই মোল্ডটাও আমাদের শ্রীজি ডাই অ্যান্ড মোল্ড থেকেই এসে আমরা সেই প্রোডাক্টটা এখানে হিউজ পরিমাণ আমরা প্রোডাকশন করছি।
I know Mr. Sushanta Sashmal since last about 10 years. We have made number of molds, critical molds from them, and we found that their quality is very good, and it fulfills our expectations in regards the quality of the molds and delivery time also. In fact, they have injection molding facilities also in their setup, and what it helps actually, whatever tool or molds we make from them, they get it tested. It can be tested there at their facilities, and we get the product accuracy. We can, if any corrections in the molds are required after necessary trials, that can be done at their end only. That is an added advantage to us.
You may start with a fistful of money, but if you have ambition enough, the sky can really be the limit. We believe so. There are still many dreams untouched. Every day is a new step ahead to excel, to join hands with you, and to serve you with our enormous plastic capacity. Mould is the mother of plastic. Sree ji.